Economic decisions are harmless.
सर इस सिचुएशन में माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक एम क्या होगा?
माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक एम क्या होगा?
सर ये रिवर्स हो सकता है?
देखो, माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक एम कैन बी, फॉर एग्जांपल, इन अ पर्टिकुलर region where the government figure out that this is some part of the town where there is lot of buying and selling of drugs, for example, or tobacco. They will seal that particular area or have certain steps for that area only. So this is a microeconomic policy which they have put up. Macroeconomic policy, macroeconomic decision. ठीक है? इसीलिए तो जो macroeconomic objectives हैं, the government has some macroeconomic objectives. They are on a wider scale. क्या है basically? There's price stability, full employment, accelerating economic growth, positive balance of payment, avoid cyclic fluctuations. देखो, avoid cyclic fluctuations is given in some books they don't give it because it's a very tough word to digest. Economic cycle होता है, right? Boom, slumps, recovery, recession and a slump. You want to have a stable economy. You don't want a boom and then a drop down recession and then you go to a slump. So it has to be a balanced, growth or balanced stage in your economic or business cycle. Too many fluctuations will make the investors, losing their confidence in the economy. They will not invest. They will not increase their investment. Consumers may not buy the product, maybe thinking that, for example, boom and the prices are high, then suddenly the prices will be low because of deflation. Okay? So macroeconomic decisions and the macroeconomic objectives are a bit different, which are on the larger scenario, basically, larger vision. And the microeconomic decisions, I told you that basically they have an impact. Some firm throwing the chemicals without any treatment in the river, for example, that action is going to create a macroeconomic decision from the government. And they will say that no pollution or zero tolerance on pollution. They change their policy for all the firms. So this is a macroeconomic decision taken on the basis of a microeconomic action. So they are interlinked.